for 3 years. That's 4 oil changes, 4 tire rotations. Eric, we're going to provide you complimentary maintenance for the next 4 years. That means
3 years now.
next 3 years, sorry. That means instead of you pulling out $50 for a oil change and a tire rotation 4 times over the next 3 years, we're going to pay for it. Okay?
Okay.
We want you to keep your vehicle well maintained. We're willing to pay for it for the first 3 years. And we're not doing this because we're charitable. We're doing it because we think if we get you used to using our service department, you're going to discover that they do a great job. They finish on time, they fix it right the first time, and you'll keep on using it. Basically, it's a bribe, but it's a legal bribe, Eric. Okay? So $300 over the next 3 years, or $200 over the next 3 years is going to stay in your pocket on us. Okay?